But guys, yesterday was one of those days. I couldn't do it. You're gonna make a s'mores cupcake.
Crackers.
No, I don't.
Exactly, eating any pretzels. Whack. I'm getting mine. Worry about you. Oh, here's marshmallows. I like it.
Not me completely missing a day of Karissmas. I literally just gave myself a round of applause for doing every single day. But guys, yesterday was one of those days. I couldn't do it. Guys, I am exhausted. I'm just so tired. All day today, I've been laying around doing nothing. And it feels so good. I literally was so tired. My body aching. I needed a day. I didn't want to talk about it because I get too in my head about it. We are on our way to do some shopping. Sam and his sister are in the gas station getting drinks for us. But yeah, just wanted to start off the vlog and say hi. I love you guys. I'm sorry about missing yesterday, but we'll do like a shopping vlog or some fun stuff today. And then tomorrow, I'm going to explain to you guys the giveaway. And I want to make it interactive so you guys can kind of like choose and pick. You guys will see. But yeah, giveaway coming in tomorrow's vlog. And I busted out my maternity jeans today. They are freaking high waters and I got some cankles, but it is what it is. But seriously, let's just take a moment for how dorky these pants are. Oh my gosh, there's so much going on right now. They come all the way up to my tatas. I'm not even kidding. Look at this thing. Mom life. I'm on the lookout for a Secret Santa gift, and I don't know what to get. Or not Secret Santa, White Elephant. And I really don't know what to do. So, funny story, I bought gift cards because I was gonna do a gift card tree. That way, you know, you could buy whatever you want. And I was talking to Sam's mom, and she was literally telling me, she was like, yeah, I think it's like so lazy and like unthoughtful when people buy gift cards for gifts. And I'm like, well. So I'm on the lookout for an actual gift for this white elephant, and I have no idea what to do. I was gonna Amazon something, but it's too late because our party is in 2 days. Okay, Sam, you are just not, like, guys, look at his outfit today. I told him not to wear it. He still did.
You don't got it anymore.
You don't got it. You're gonna get in trouble.
I still got it.
Barely.
Still got it.
Barely. We are doing a cupcake baking contest, so we got all of these ingredients. So we're shopping for our cupcakes, okay? And it's supposed to be a secret.
But yours is gonna be different than mine. Mine's gonna be way better.
I start noticing that he's getting all of the same ingredients as me. So I'm like, what's going on here? And I said, Sam, are you gonna make a s'mores cupcake?
Crackers.
No, I don't.
Exactly, eating any pretzels. Whack. I'm getting mine. Worry about you. Oh, here's marshmallows. I like it.
I got the marshmallows and I had them in the cart before he even came close to it. Copies everything I do. I'm just literally dying for Lucky Charms, but look at this variety pack. It's bringing me back to my childhood and I need it. So, got this. We're gonna get our rings polished. Here's mine before. Yours looks swollen.
Looks swollen.
Like your hand. Yours made a huge difference. Please stop.
Karissa, Nichole.
Stop, it's not funny. People probably on social media.
I just bought it right here.
Look how purred. Did you seriously?
What?
I heard that.
I swear to God, I didn't.
Tomorrow it's about to get real. We are having a cupcake baking competition. It's gonna be me and Sam, and then it's also gonna be Sam's sister Ilaria and then her husband Sean, and us four are going to be cooking, or not cooking, baking cupcakes, and Sam's mom is going to be the judge of it. I even texted Sam's mom and said, if you had to choose your favorite cupcake flavor, what would it be? The other contestants, they try to call me a cheater. That's not cheating. It's smart. You're jealous you couldn't think of it. Anyways, if you are Sam's mom, do not keep watching this because you can't know which cupcake I had. Seriously, stop watching. Jenny, stop watching. All right, I need you guys to hype me up and tell me I'm about to win. So first of all, let's backtrack a little bit. I was just telling you in the vlog about how we're in Walmart, okay? And I'm putting stuff in the cart and I'm like, those ingredients look familiar to Sam, who's putting very similar ingredients into his cart. Now I'm making mine dairy-free. So that in itself is a challenge that I'm willing to take on, commit to, and be successful at. Anyway, after my marshmallows, the key ingredient of the type of cupcake I'm making, were in the cart for a good 30 minutes while Sam's Googling recipes. I come to find out after seeing all of the freaking ingredients he's putting in his cart that he's also going to try to make a s'mores cupcake. But I'm not just making any s'mores cupcake. Let's pop it up on the screen right here. Wow. It's not just a s'mores cupcake. It's called the campfire cupcake. We have pretzels for the wood. I even bought this swirly icing dispenser, whatever you want to call it, to mix 3 colors in one. So I'm gonna get a little bit of like food coloring, the yellow, the red, the orange, make a flame, and then we're gonna have a roasted s'more or marshmallow. It's gonna be a double chocolate, delicious, moist. I know a lot of people hate that word. I actually really suck at cooking and baking. I've gotten better over the years, but I'm kind of scared. I know my appearance for the cupcake, the presentation is going to be great. It's gonna be grand, but I'm kind of scared for the taste. But I think it's gonna be so much fun, so I will vlog it. It's not gonna be in the KARISSMAS series or anything like that because KARISSMAS is pretty much over. Hi.
Sorry.
I was just talking crap on you and your cupcake and how you stole mine.
How you stole mine.
But it's getting crazy because KARISSMAS, this is like my last official vlog. Tomorrow, like I said earlier in the vlog, we're going to be discussing the giveaway. It's going to be interactive, so you don't want to miss tomorrow's vlog if you want a chance to kind of design the giveaway. And then the actual giveaway will be announced on my Instagram, so if you're not following me there, you're not going to know. Yeah, you will. I'll still tell you on YouTube. But Instagram will find out first, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. But last 2 advent calendars. This is getting sad. Why? But before we jump into this, I did film this yesterday. That was the only thing I pulled my camera out to do was the advent calendar. But I'm going to combine these 2 days since, you know, we missed a day yesterday. So I accidentally just deleted the clip of me opening this advent calendar. So I'm just going to show you what I got in it. We have these cute little socks. Look at this. It's a little sloth. These are fancy. We got some hand lotion, juniper and bergamot, delicious, festive. We got candy canes, $15 to Taco Bell, we love, and some breakfast. This stuff is so freaking good, dude. All right, and let's do number 2, candy canes, of course. Oh yeah, we got more socks, comfy socks. Ooh, a chill out face mask for stressed skin. I literally am doing this tonight. Oh my gosh, I literally need this. And chocolate. Perfect. Face mask and chocolate with some comfy socks tonight. Oh, they say peace on them. I didn't even see that. Guys, tomorrow's the last day. I'm sad. So they're making dinner, it's about to be done. I'm gonna go out there and eat, finish editing this vlog, but I wanted to just wrap this up, tell you guys I love you so much. I'm sorry again that, you know, been a little chaotic and hectic for the past couple days, but I wanted to at least put something out for you guys today, and I will be here tomorrow no matter what to announce the giveaway for Christmas Eve. But I hope you guys all had a beautiful, wonderful, amazing, lovely Christmas Eve, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the last video for KARISSMAS. Doesn't milllllybillytrilly. Bye.